It's okay, little red bird. I would never hurt you. You were so close. I don't know if it was on film or not. That darn duck. Oh, God. Oh, there's a female. There's a female right there. The male one over there. He's on the fence right over there. She is right there on the tree. He was so close. He was right there on that tree. I don't know if it was captured or not, but they're getting closer. Look who's scaring them away. Those are my little culprits. Those are my scarebirds. Hi, little chickadees. If I can get a few chickadees, will come over. Little titmouses are not so shy. Red bird in sight, right above me. Come on, baby. That's a good boy. Come on down and get some seeds. It's okay. You're a good boy. That's a good boy. You're a pretty, pretty boy. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. You're a pretty little red bird. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a pretty boy. Pretty, pretty boy. Pretty, pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. That's a pretty, pretty boy. Pretty boy. Oh, you're a pretty boy. You're the pretty, pretty, pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty, pretty, pretty boy. Pretty boy. You're just a pretty boy. You're just a pretty boy. Yes, you are. You're just a pretty little birdie. Pretty boy. You're a pretty birdie. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. I hope I can get him on a tree. I know I had to get him. I had to at least show you, because I didn't think he was going to come. But at least I hope you saw him. Maybe he'll come sooner or later. It might take some time with him, but he's getting closer and closer, you know? Yep, I'm determined. Time. It takes time. Pretty bird. I want him to get used to what I say. The more you talk to him, which I do, he'll get used to it. That's what I believe. I don't believe in that quiet stuff. I'm never quiet anyway. He's coming back. He's hungry enough. He'll come back. They always do. Because there ain't no seeds anywhere themselves. That's the way I did it this time. Here he comes. Hi, baby. What you doing, duckies? And by the way, he didn't look like my original Cardinal. He looked like a younger one. But I can be wrong, but he didn't look like it. He looked a little thinner. He did the same thing like the other one did, but he looked a little thinner. All these ducks are just coming out of nowhere. What are you doing? Oh, my butt's ringing off. 8:12, I still got time. Even I always question my own judgment about that coyote thing and what I actually hear or not. Because look at those ducks. Look how close they are to the darn. Hi, little sparrow. You're cute. There he is. He's a cute little sparrow. Ooh, Cardinal coming. I wish I can whistle like you. I'll let you know in a second if that's my original. Oh, he's so cute. He's such a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Oh, there he goes. He's shy today. That's what makes me think it's not him. But I heard the missus go that way. Might be following the missus.